Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. This is Kamrun assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 4, today I am going to take your English language class and our today's topic is sentence exercise. That means we will do some exercises from topic sentence. And in your previous class, we have discussed the definition of different types of sentences. There are 5 types of sentences, and what are they? Assertive, interrogative, optative, imperative and exclamatory. So today we will identify some sentences. That means you will tell what type of sentences they are. Now look, identify and write the type of the following sentences. The first one, may Allah save you. In this sentence there is a wish, right? That means you are making a wish for someone. May Allah save you. That means the sentence will be optative, right? I know all of you know about it. So it will be optative. Now look, number B, how exciting the game is. And now look at the end of this sentence, there is an exclamation mark, and now we are expressing our emotion, sudden, that means we will express our sudden emotion. So it will be exclamatory sentence. Now look, take care of your health. And what type of sentence it will be? Now look, take care of your health. So you are giving an advice to someone. So we all know that whenever we want to give some order or command or advice or want to make a request, it will be imperative sentence, right? So this sentence will be imperative. Now look, number D, the sun rises in the east. That means it is a statement, right? So it will be what? Can you remember? Yes, it will be assertive sentence. So it will be assertive sentence. Now look, number E, which book do you need? Now look, we are asking a question, and look at the end of this sentence there is a question mark, and we all know that we use question mark at the end of the sentence in interrogative sentence, right? So it will be interrogative sentence. So it will be interrogative. Now look, number F, we should never tell a lie. So this is also a statement. So what type of sentence is it? Yes, you are correct. It will be assertive sentence. Now number G, hush, the old man is asleep. Hush, the old man is asleep. Now look after the word hush, and we use this type of word in exclamatory sentence, right? And now look, there is an exclamation mark also. So this sentence will be exclamatory sentence. And there is a sudden expression of our emotion. Sorry, it will be C. Okay, let me write it again. Now look, number 8, doesn't the teacher teach us English? Now look at this, look at the end of this sentence. There is a question mark, and we are asking a question. So it will be, what will be the answer? Yes, it will be interrogative sentence. Okay. Now number I. May you shine in future. Now look, there is a wish for someone. So it will be optative sentence. Yes, I know all of you know the answer. It will be optative sentence. Now number J. Please give me a glass of water. Now look at this word please. We know that whenever we want to make a request, we use the word please. So in this sentence we are making a request. So what type of sentence is it? Yes, you are correct. It will be imperative. Okay, there are 10 sentences. Now we will go through the answer and the sentences again. Now look, number A, may Allah save you, and the answer is optative. Number B, how exciting the game is, and the answer is exclamatory. Number C, take care of your health, and the answer is imperative. Number D, the sun rises in the east, and the answer is assertive. Number E, which book do you need, and the answer is interrogative. Now number F, we should never tell a lie, and the answer is assertive. Number G, hush, the old man is asleep, and the answer is exclamatory. Number H, doesn't the teacher teach us English, and the answer is interrogative. Number I, may you shine in future, and the answer is optative. Number J, please give me a glass of water, and the answer is imperative. So there are 10 exercises, 10 sentences, and all of you will practice those sentences, that means practice this exercise, and also you will go through the definition. And dear students, very soon you will be given homework through our YouTube classes. So dear students, all of you will take care of your health and practice a lot, that means study regularly and listen to your parents, and all of you will attend the live classes, and if you have any problem you can ask question in your live class. So dear students, see you again. Allah Hafiz.